After digging through forums, checking owner reviews, and consulting with repair shops, I'm bringing you what's really going on with the Honda Fit from 2016 to 2022. No rumors here, just clear information so you know what to expect. One of the most reported issues by Honda Fit owners in the 2016-2022 range involves the CVT automatic transmission. While it's fuel efficient, it sometimes shows certain operational problems. Users on forums like Reddit and Edmunds mention experiencing delays in acceleration or strange noises when the transmission shifts. One user said, "It felt like the transmission was struggling to respond, especially when starting from a stop, like a slight jerk or slip." Mechanics explain that these problems can stem from issues within the transmission's internal hydraulic system or premature wear of parts such as the pump or CVT variator. An experienced mechanic noted, "The Fit's CVT is delicate, and if it's not maintained with the correct fluids and on schedule, it can start failing earlier than expected." Honda has acknowledged some cases and issued technical service bulletins for certain specific models, recommending checking and, in some cases, replacing the transmission fluid with a more wear-resistant type, along with software updates to improve transmission response. They have also extended the warranty on certain CVT transmissions in some countries as part of their customer service program. The recommendation for those noticing these symptoms is to visit an official dealership or specialized shop for a full inspection. Changing the CVT transmission fluid on time and doing preventive maintenance can avoid major damage and costly repairs. Additionally, some owners report that following these tips brought performance back to normal and stopped the noises.